Hi guys, this is Sheila from the Backroad Hillbillies. I had the weirdest noise coming out of my bathroom. It's my cat snoring. I was gonna show you some puppy video with this loud noise. Came out of my bathroom. And it's Snoring Norton. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. What's wrong with the babies? Oh no, Dottie. Are you guys hungry? Do you want some food? Alright. I just happen to have some food here that I can give to you all. This here. Yum, yum. Some dry cat food soaked in water and smashed up with some goat formula. Aren't you gonna eat, Frankie? Go eat. The other little piggers will eat it all up if you don't get any. He would hold out for his mom, because he's not ready to be weaned yet. There she is, Maddie. Maddie. So now, you see how quiet it got in here. Because two of them are busy eating. Okay. So we can figure out what's the noise. Are you snoring with your eyes open, Norton? Norton, wake up. Were you asleep? You were snoring and your eyes were open. Alright, well thanks y'all for watching the Backroad Hillbillies, and please subscribe.